Next question. Who acts as the chairman of the State Planning Board? It is Chief Minister. B option is correct. Who is the chairman of Planning Commission? It is Prime Minister. Finance Commission is appointed by the President of India after every 5 years. Who appoints Chief Election Commissioner of India? It appointed by President. The members and chairman of the Union Public Service Commission are appointed by the President of India. The Finance Commission in India is appointed by President of India. An electoral system under which a legislature reflects the strength of the various political parties is called proportional representation. A option is correct. Who of the following enjoy a constitutional position? The person who enjoys constitutional position is Finance Commission body, Finance Commission and Election Commission. It is not a person, it is a body. A option is correct. Next question. The responsibility of the preparation of electoral roll in the India rests with the Election Commission. Which among the following is a constitutional body as per the Indian Constitution? It is Finance Commission. Who was the first Chief Election Commissioner of India? He was Sukumar Sen. The second Chief Election Commissioner of India was K.V.K. Sundaram. Which of the following high dignitaries who are not members of parliament has the right to address it? It is Attorney General of India. For which one of the following commissions there is no provision in the Indian Constitution? It is Planning Commission. Comptroller and Auditor General of India is appointed by the President. The Attorney General of India has the right of audience in any court of law within India. Which body is constituted by the President of India to advise on the decision of central resources between the center and the state? It is Finance Commission. Comptroller and Auditor General of India acts as a friend, philosopher and guide for the Public Accounts Committee. Bureaucracy literally means a system of government by the officials. The power to decide an election petition for the state is vested in the High Courts. Union Public Service Commission has to submit the report to the President. Which among the following acts suggested for the post called Comptroller and Auditor General? It is 1935 Act. Which was the first state to go to polls under the delimitation? It is Karnataka. Which committee recommended for the 3-language formula? The committee is Kothari Committee. What is the plural voting system? Plural voting system is an eligible voter exercises on vote and some voters with a specific qualification cast more than one vote. C option is correct. The Indian Constitution provides the country with 3 categories of civil services, namely the 3 civil services: administrative, police and revenue service. Administrative, police and foreign service. The option is correct. Which of the following is one of the characteristics of the civil service in India? It is neutrality and impartiality. A option is correct. The members of the All India Service serve both the union and state governments. Who holds the highest law office in India? It is held by Attorney General. Which of the following is not provided in the Constitution? It is Planning Commission. Who among the following is not a member of the National Development Council? It is President of India. If a budget is defeated in the legislature of a state, then the Council of Ministers along with the Chief Minister has to resign. C option is correct. Who is the Vice Chairperson of Niti Aayog? It is Dr. Arvind Panagaria. C option is correct. The Comptroller and Auditor General of India submits his report relating to the accounts of the Union to the President. C option is correct. Who appoints the Finance Commission in India? It is appointed by President of India. The Comptroller and Auditor General is closely connected with which of the following committees of Parliament? It is connected with the Public Accounts Committee. C option is correct. Which one of the following was established with a definite provision under an article of Constitution of India? This is Election Commission. Who appoints the member of the State Public Service Commission? It is appointed by Governor. To be a voter in India, what is the minimum qualifying age? The age is 18 years. What is the maximum age to qualify for Lok Sabha election? The maximum age is 25 years. Niti Aayog is a think tank. Which commission made the recommendation which formed the basis for the Punjab Reorganization Act, which created the state Punjab and Haryana? The commission was Saha Commission. Which of the following states is not included in the Capital Region Planning Council? The state is Madhya Pradesh. In which state of India is there a uniform civil code? The state is Goa. Which state in India has the highest number of deputy prime minister? The state is Gujarat. Division of powers is the principle of federal form of government. Article 370 of the Constitution is applicable to the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Which article of the Constitution of India accords special status to the state of Jammu Kashmir? The article is 370. Which are the two states having the highest representation in Lok Sabha other than UP has been asked here. So the states are Bihar and Maharashtra. In which year were the Indian state reorganized on the linguistic basis? The year was 1956. Article 370 of Constitution of India provides for temporary provisions for Jammu Kashmir. It has been abolished now. A option is correct. Next question. When was the comprehensive reorganization of Indian states completed in accordance with recommendations of the State Reorganization Commission? The year was 1956. The Sharkaria Commission was appointed to review the question of center and state relations. Sarkaria Commission was concerned with center-state relations. Sarkaria Commission was constituted to give its report on center-state relations. Who of the following has been an interlocutor on Jammu and Kashmir? It was Sujat Bukhari. C option is correct. In a federal government, the state enjoys powers given by the Constitution. The day-to-day administration of a union territory in India is carried out by the Lieutenant Governor. Sikkim was granted statehood in the year of 1975. Which state of the Constitution provides special status to Jammu Kashmir? The article was 370. Which state enjoys the distinction of being the first linguistic state of India? The state is Andhra Pradesh. The number of union territories in India is now 9. C option is correct. Next question. Which of the following is not a union territory? That is not a union territory is Nagaland. It is a state. B option is correct. A special status to Jammu Kashmir is given by the Indian Constitution under the Article 370. The unification of Karnataka was achieved in the year of 1956. A federal government is in the shape of agreement between the center and the states. The main feature of the federal state is decentralization. A option is correct. Which commission examined the center and state relationship? The committee is Sarkaria Commission. C option is correct. The state reorganization in 1956 created 14 states and 6 union territories. Which of the following is not a union territory? It is Nagaland. How many states are there in Indian Union? There are 28 states. The option is correct. The name of the Lakadive, Minicoy and Amindivi Islands was changed to Lakshadweep and by an act of parliament in the year 1973. Which was the first linguistic state to be created? It was Andhra Pradesh. The Jammu and Kashmir Legislative Assembly has a tenure of 6 years. The Narmada Water Dispute Tribunal was constituted to resolve the water sharing between Gujarat, Maharashtra, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. The civil affairs like marriage, divorce, inheritance, etc., which has been authorized by Constitution to make legal laws, center and state by the concurrent list of the Constitution. C option is correct. Why did one of the high courts in India decree that bans are unconstitutional and punitive? It is because it is not an exercise of fundamental freedom. B option is correct. To whom can a case of dispute in election of the President of India be referred to? It should be referred to Supreme Court of India. What is the category in which negotiating strategy of a strike by the government employees falls? It falls in legal right. Which of the following is at the apex of subordinate criminal courts? It apex in courts of the session judge. C option is correct. Next question. Which of the following court has the original jurisdiction to hear petition and give decision challenging election of the Lok Sabha and Vidhan Sabha? The power has High Court of the state. B option is correct. The main function of the judiciary is law adjudication. C option is correct. The salaries of emoluments of the judges of the Supreme Court are charged on the Consolidated Fund of India. judges of the Supreme Court and High Court can be removed by the President. What does the judicial review function of the Supreme Court mean? It means examine the constitutional validity of the laws. C option is correct. The basic structure of our constitution was proclaimed by the Supreme Court in Keshwanand Bharti case. The Supreme Court of India enjoys original appellate and advisory jurisdictions. The judges of High Court hold office till they have attained 62 years of age. B option is correct. Which of the following is not the essential qualification for appointment as a judge of the Supreme Court of India? The qualification is should be at least 35 years of age. It is not needed. B option is correct. Judicial review in the Indian Constitution is based on procedure established by law. The judges of Supreme Court retire at the age of 65 years. The first act permitting legal marriage with a person not belonging to one's endomagous group is Hindu Marriage Validity Act. A option is correct. The states which have a common high court are Maharashtra and Goa. The Supreme Court is empowered to settle election disputes of president and vice president. This is its original jurisdiction. Which two states have a common high court? The states are Haryana and Punjab. Judges of the Supreme Court retire at the age of 65 years. A judge of the Supreme Court retires at the age of 65 years. Of the following who held the offices of Judge of the Supreme Court and the Speaker of the Lok Sabha was K.S. Hegde. B option is correct. The Chief Justice of a High Court is appointed by the President. The first woman judge to be appointed to Supreme Court was M. Fatima Bibi. C option is correct. Who was the first woman Chief Justice of a High Court? C was Leela Sheikh. To whom can a case of dispute in election of the President be referred? It should be referred to Supreme Court of India. Retirement age of the judges of Supreme Court of India is 65 years. Who was the first woman judge of the Supreme Court was Fatima Bibi. Which is the highest law of the land? The highest law of the land is Indian Constitution. The Supreme Court of India acts as a federal court when it deals with interstate disputes. Which one of the following Chief Justice of India had the opportunity to act as President of India? The Chief Justice was Justice M. Hidayatullah. C option is correct. Who was the first woman Chief Justice of a High Court of a state in India was Leela Sheikh. Equality before law in India is derived from Constitution. Who interprets the Constitution? It interpreted by judiciary. A law made by judiciary is known as case law. What is the retirement age for a Supreme Court judge? The age is 65 years. Judges of High Court are administered oath of office by the Chief Justice of High Court. The pension of a High Court judge is charged on the consolidated fund of the state. The High Court, which has the distinction of having the first woman Chief Justice, is the High Court is Himachal Pradesh High Court. The Supreme Court of India was set up by the Constitution. The judges of Supreme Court hold office till they reach the age of 65 years. Supreme Court is the guardian for fundamental rights. District judge is under the control of High Court. B option is correct. Division of powers and independent judiciary are the two important features of democratic form of government. Which one of the following statements about the Chief Justice of India is not correct? The statement is not correct. He appoints the Chief Justice of all High Courts. This is not correct. Next question. The Indian judiciary is headed by the Supreme Court. Who appoints the judges of the Indian Supreme Court? It is appointed by the President. How many judges are there in Supreme Court? So there are 31 judges in the Supreme Court. The Supreme Court at Calcutta was established by Regulating Act of 1773. Which one of the following pairs is correctly matched? The pairs that are correctly matched are ADM Jabalpur case, rights of citizens under emergency. A option is correct. Next question. Chief Justice of the Supreme Court hold office till they attain the age of 65. What is ordinary law? Ordinary laws made by enforced by the government. They are ordinary law. C option is correct. Which of the following comes under the jurisdiction of both the High Court and Supreme Court? It is protection of fundamental rights. C option is correct. To become a judge of the High Court, one must be a practicing advocate of the High Court for at least 10 years. Who is the first law officer of the country? First law officer of the country is Attorney General. Which of the following is related to advisory jurisdiction of the Supreme Court? It is President of India seeks opinion on law or facts. The option is correct. Which institution has the final authority to interpret the Constitution of India? The authority is Supreme Court of India. The power of the Supreme Court of India to decide disputes between the centre and the states fall under its original jurisdiction. What is the meaning of public interest litigation? The meaning is a case brought by anyone to court involving public interest. C option is correct. Subordinate courts are supervised by High Court. What does section 124A of Indian Penal Code deal with? It deals with sedition. All doubts and disputes in connection with election of the president are inquired into and decided by the Supreme Court. Which of the following is not an administrative function of a village panchayat? It is providing college education. The first state in India to implement Panchayati Raj system was Rajasthan. B option is correct. Which among the following legislation gives constitution status to the three-tier Panchayati Raj system? It is 73rd Constitutional Amendment 1993. B option is correct. Which of the following states was first to adopt the Panchayati Raj? The state was Rajasthan. Which of the following Indian service states first adopted the three-tier Panchayati Raj system? The state was Rajasthan. The Balwant Rai Mehta Committee was associated with Panchayati Raj. The three-tier of Panchayati Raj system consist of Gram Panchayat, Block and Panchayati Samiti and Jila Parishad. C option is correct. Which of the following is not a Panchayati Raj institution? It is Gram Cooperative Society. It is not a Panchayati Raj institution. C option is correct. Next question. Which is not the concern of local government? The concern of local government is law and order. This is not a concern of local government. Next question. The three-tier Panchayati Raj system in India was proposed by Balwant Rai Mehta Committee. Through which constitutional amendment was the first Nagarpalika bill passed? It passed in the 74th Constitutional Amendment. The option is correct. The Panchayati Raj system in India was introduced under the direction of the article of the Constitution. The article was 40. B option is correct. The expression of Gram Sabha correctly refers to the electorate for the Panchayat. Panchayati Raj system is based on the principle of centralization and decentralization. Based on only decentralization, not centralization. B option is correct. Next question. Which is an example of direct democracy in India? It is Gram Sabha. Panchayati Raj system was implemented first in the pair of state Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. A option is correct. What is the system of local self-government in Panchayati Raj setup? It is three-tier structure at village, block and district level. B option is correct. In the year 1977, an official committee was appointed to examine Panchayati Raj under the chairmanship of Ashok Mehta. Which among the following states first introduced the Panchayati Raj system? The state was Rajasthan. The recall provision to remove the elected office bearers from local self-government institution has been executed in Madhya Pradesh. The option is correct. What is the structure of Panchayati Raj? The structure of Panchayati Raj is Jila Panchayat, Block Panchayat, Gram Panchayat and Gram Sabha. A option is correct. Next question. The preamble of the Indian Constitution was for the first time amended by the 42nd Amendment. B option is correct. The following article of the Indian Constitution abolished the practice of untouchability. The article was 17. Article 17. C option is correct. From the following language listed in the 8th schedule of Constitution, pick out the one of which language is language of a state. The language is Kashmiri. A option is correct. Article 243 of Constitution of India inserted by a constitutional amendment deals with which of the following? It deals with Panchayati Raj system. The option is correct. What is the maximum period up to which a proclamation issued by the President under Article 356 of the Constitution and approved extended by Parliament may normally remain in force for 1 year? B option is correct. Where is the objective of social justice articulated in the Constitution of India? It articulated in preamble. The option is correct. Under which article of Constitution can an emergency be declared in India on account of war or external aggression? So the article is 352. B option is correct. Constitution of India considers free compulsory education to children up to 14 years. B option is correct. Which article of Indian Constitution provides for the employer to give maternity benefits to its employees? The article is Article 42. Which among the following articles of the Indian Constitution provides for a state emergency and suspends constitutional arrangement in a state? The article is Article 356. Article 32 of an Indian Constitution relates to right to constitutional remedies during emergency imposed under Article 352. Which of the following constitutional provisions stands suspended? The provision is fundamental rights. What constitutional provision enables the central government to provide reservation in jobs and education institution for weaker sections of the society? The article is Article 16. What provision in the constitution enabled the central government to impose the service tax and to expand its spend? The provision is residuary powers under Article 248. Article 14 of the Indian Constitution guarantees Indian citizen equality before law and equal protection of the law. D option is correct. Article 19 of Indian Constitution provides 6 freedoms of the various grounds below, which is the one criterion on which discrimination by the state is not prohibited. In Article 15 of the Constitution, it is language. C option is correct. Where is the objective of social justice articulated in the Constitution of India? It articulated in the Article 15. C option is correct. Which article of Indian Constitution includes the fundamental duties of the Indian citizen? The article is Article 51A. Which article of Constitution of India abolishes untouchability and forbids its practice in any form? The article is Article 70. B option is correct here.